Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression. 11 minus 1 times 11 minus 1. Are you ready to solve? Let's go and get started. 11 minus 1 gives us 10. And again, here inside this parentheses, we have 11 minus 1. So 10 times 10 equals 100. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have one subtraction, one multiplication, and the one parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis, we have one subtraction. Here we have a multiplication because in mathematics, when a number is placed next to parentheses, it means multiplication. And we usually don't write the multiplication sign for brevity. Okay? So, according to the PEMDAS, first we have to do this parenthesis, then this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. If we do this subtraction before this multiplication or this parenthesis, it is wrong. So first we have to do this parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis we have 11 minus 1, which equals 10. So we have 11 minus 1 times 10. Now, in this expression, we have one subtraction and one multiplication. According to the PEMDAS, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction because multiplication comes before subtraction. So here, first we have to do this multiplication. 1 times 10 gives us 10. So we have 11 minus 10, which equals 1. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 1.